really confusing. I got the noise going, I got fire going. Look what we're doing. Making square corners. A little mess up there. A little mess up there. We may have to do more than one of these things, but that's what we do. We're making, me, myself, and I, and Elijah's,
Wilson
is, Elijah's filming. I'm making fireplace tool sets, which is pretty cool. Duplicates of what we did for the TCA show. So anyhow, that's all good. Hope y'all having a good day. It's warm today, so that's why we're forging, so we can break a little sweat, because next week's going to be better forging weather when it's, what did he say? 11 degrees for a low?
Yeah.
In Texas. Wrong. Bad idea. We don't deal with that stuff. It's 66 today. Good fire. Little sweat. Supposed to make you skinny. I don't know. Look, my belly rubs all the time.
kind of chubby.
I'm not chubby. That's not nice. The cameraman's commentating saying I'm chubby. He's right. Oh, well. Hey. We're back at it in January. Got all kinds of cool stuff coming up. What we got coming up, Eli? I don't know what we got.
Knife show.
Knife show in February. We'll be doing that. Got some changes made to Patreon. Don't get mad. I did increase the price a little bit. Had to create 2 new tiers. Patreon is not user-friendly on my end. It is user-friendly on your end. I had a couple friends sign up this week and said, man, if I'd have known it was that easy, I'd have done it a long time ago. It really isn't hard. Lots of content there. Got 2 new tiers that what'll happen is the old tiers that I had, Pro Card and permit holders turned into Pro Card 2 and permit holder 2. They have all the 400 videos. It isn't going to go away. You can see all the 400 videos. But as we move forward, the new Pro Card and the new permit holders have all that information of the past, and then everything moving forward to the front. So it'll be $25 a month for the Pro Cards, $10 a month for permit holders. Pro Cards will get a video every day I'm in the shop, including Workshop Wednesday. They got one today as I was making these square corners, showing everybody how to do that. Think my metal's burning up?
No, that's not.
No, I got my fire turned off. Look at it.
Good.
Pretty hot, but we're doing all right. I'll do it then. Oh, well. I hope everybody's well, and we'll probably see you next week. Do I got anything else to say? But, well, I will say, the bit that we had at Teskey's, it sold. Hallelujah. Thank you, Teskey's. Thank you, Bryce. That's good. That was the Cowtown Collection bit. It sold. We'll be putting 2 new pieces from the TCA show, the past TCA show in there. They'll be on the fancy side, the real fancy side. So that's all good.
Jeff Parks.
Oh yeah, we gotta go. I'm gonna go learn how to engrave at Jeff Parks. First week of March. Eli's going with me. Troy Flayhardy's going with me. Larry Lorraine going with me. We have a cowboy party. Cowboys, they're all in there. But we're invading the engraving world. So that'll be fun in March. But anyhow, between now and then, we're gonna be forging for the next week or 2. I got 2 weeks planned on forging. So if y'all need something, holler at me. Adios.